So good evening everyone and welcome back to your home, that is Alkesh Dinesh Modi Institute. It's fantastic to see so many faces today. Thank you for gracing us with your presence once again. A very warm welcome to Admirals 2025, our grand alumni meet.
Come on, find your old friends who owes you money and maybe even make some new ones. Now take a deep breath, relax and soak in all the nostalgia because tonight is all about you.
Okay, so we truly appreciate you taking out time tonight because करने का तो आप मूवी भी देख सकते थे, right? छावा किसने देखा है? First day, first show, anybody?
Anybody first show छावा?
कोई नहीं,
कोई नहीं?
एक भी नहीं. फिर आपने देखा है? Just one.
बस.
But
Our alumni.
oh, I doubt. Very dedicated.
Yeah, they are very dedicated to their office hours and office work.
I know, right? And they could have also celebrated Valentine's Day with their loved ones.
वैष्णवी, Valentine's Day कल था.
Omkar, it is just us who are yet to be placed. They are already done with their placement long back, working with big reputed companies. And कल Friday था 9 to 6 shift. And I can vouch for it. 8 बजे से पहले तो कोई घर नहीं गया होगा. गया है क्या कोई? नहीं? हाँ, दिख रहा है.
मैं एक ही देखा.
हाँ. Okay, so by the way, how was your Valentine Day?
वैष्णवी, कल हम कॉलेज में ही थे 8 बजे तक स्क्रिप्ट पे काम कर रहे थे.
Oh yeah, of course. Anyways, this shows our dedication and efforts we've put together to bring this event, right?
Yes.
Right? Yeah.
So to officially begin Admirals 2025, let's welcome our respected faculties. Dr. Smita Shukla, our director. Dr. Aruna Deshpande. Dr. Sanjeev Thakur. Dr. Sushmita Mukherjee. Dr. Ashish Hatangadi. Dr. Rakesh Malusare. Dr. Naina Salve. Dr. Abhiraj Shivdas. Dr. Javed Kalangade. Dr. Anshumala Gautam. Miss Radha Iyer. Miss Megha Bansal. Mr. Shashank Tiwari. And Dr. Kavita Pandey, our training and placement officer. To share some pearls of wisdom. Don't worry, no exams afterwards.
We request Sushmita ma'am to come over. Big round of applause for ma'am, please. So, welcome to everybody. We all look forward to this day every year. And apart from the current role in which I am also a very proud alumni of this institution. And I have done my formal education from here, which has given me everything. So, I would like to share with all the batches that the institution is much more than just spending 2 years or 3 years where you get a degree. It gives you an identity, it gives you a direction in your life, and in all your situations, it helps you as part of your purpose for lifetime. And all faculty members especially, we feel very emotional on this day of the alumni meet because we get to meet the passed out batches, current batches, and we always, everybody, we make this mistake of thinking that you are still a current student because we never think you have gone away. So welcome to everybody at your own institute, and please keep coming, please keep associating, and please keep contributing to the institute. Have a good time. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, I would like to call upon Sanjeev sir.
I welcome all of you to this great event. Everybody, every year we are looking for this particular event. Now to just tell you that I am a faculty. I was the first one to join this institute also, but I am also a student of this institute. I am an alumni also of this institute because I have done PhD from the same institute. So first PhD from the institute I only got. So I am also an alumni, so I also from both the sides, means from alumni side also, as well as from the host side, I am very much thrilled with this particular event, and I always and it is whenever we meet these old students and all, so we feel that we get connected, because many a times we lose contacts also. So this is the event where everybody gets connected again. Madam has already covered all the points. Only one point she has missed, where students are very much interested, is industrial tour. So that also last 2-3 years we are organizing. This year also we went. So rest all she has covered. And I again welcome all of you. Please share your thoughts with your friends and all. And thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, 1 second. So I request the director Smita Shukla ma'am, our senior most alumni Makarand and Himanshu here, to please come on the dais and felicitate Sanjeev sir for the tremendous things that he has done for the institution, for the achievements that the students have done under his guidance and leadership all over this year.
जवानी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिल ना किसी रखे हैं हमने वो दिन गुल्लक में बड़ी जवानी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या 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 दिन थे
Modi Institute for Financial and Management Studies, nestled in Mumbai University's historic campus. Established in 1994 under Mumbai University. We offer BMS program and AICTE approved Masters in Management Studies. Notable additions are the Masters in Finance. The campus is a canvas for learning, fostering exploration in every corner. Our infrastructure includes a research center, offering resources for assignments and projects. The computer lab, a digital gateway, enhances technical skills and supports research, assignments, and software development. The conference room is a hub for interactive learning, discussions, debates, and guest speakers. A DMI FMS auditorium hosts seminars, workshops, and cultural events. Beyond our walls, the larger university campus awaits. The Jawaharlal Nehru Library, a hub of intellectual exchange, the health center, ensuring your well-being, and the sports center, where champions are born. Don't miss the serene Rainbow Pond area with lush greenery. Leading this institute is our esteemed director, Dr. Smita Shukla. Her guidance steers our ship toward excellence. Passionate faculty and external members enrich education. Dedicated non-teaching staff ensures smooth operations. Learning extends beyond the classroom as our corporate events bridge the gap between theory and practice, preparing you for the professional world. But it's not all business here. Our fun event celebrates the joy and creates memories that last a lifetime. Our institute shines brightly with excellence, earning numerous prestigious awards and well-deserved recognition for its achievements.
I would like to call upon our director ma'am, Smita Shukla ma'am, and also Kavita ma'am to present a token of gratitude to all our star alumni.
Who have stayed connected with our institution, showing up for students, placements, and alumni events like true rock stars. As we said earlier, home is where the heart is. And these alumni have kept their hearts right here with us. Let's give a huge round of applause for our star alumni. And if you ever wonder how to get this award, just keep showing up and please connect with Kavita ma'am. Firstly, we would like to call upon stage Pradeep Jain for a roundtable conference.
As I mentioned this, any of the activities or the events which we are doing at Institute, we cannot do it without the support of all of you. Your suggestion, we take it very seriously, and you all have seen also the kind of efforts which we keep on building it. So Pradeep is standing with us. So Omkar mentioned about the roundtable conference. You all know that roundtable conference is one of the most important activity related with mentor-mentee initiatives, where we invite the industry professionals or the senior alumni to come and mentor the current students related with available opportunities and challenges in the mentioned industry. So Pradeep came back to back for 2 years and contributed in the roundtable conference, and also available offline while interacting with the students related with our placement drive in the IDFC Bank and other companies. Thank you so much Pradeep for being our star alumni, and now I request Smita ma'am to kindly felicitate him with a token of memento, and Vaishnavi, over to you. Please give a huge round of applause.
And it's not about giving, it's not about, coming back to our own institute. It's basically, I believe it's our own duty to come back. And we, as an alumni, we feel a lot happy to be staying in touch with our own, all the teachers, our all professors. And even in the batch, I was a batch of 13-15, I still have those alumni, members who are present here, Himanshu sir, Makarand sir, so I take that as an inspiration. They are still connected, and we also should, every.
Next we have Amol Bhandare for roundtable conference. Is he there? No. Okay. So next we have Makarand Patil for corporate mock interview. Makarand sir. Appreciate any of the activities at the institute without getting your support and your confirmation.
So can I call you Constellation alumni?
And you have not just contributed for our industry institute interaction, but also you have contributed as an industry institute interaction, come alumni meet, come placements, come advisory, and blah blah blah. I never ever forget the first day of mine at institution, and the first person who spoke to me and gave me lots of confidence that I can work and I can do some work in the areas of placement, that was you, Makarand. So thank you so much for being always a great support to us at the institute. I request Smita ma'am to kindly honor Makarand with the memento and felicitate him. I think Makarand is truly an example to all the alumni of this institution, and I request everyone to give a big round of applause to him.
So, first of all, thanks for this award, and I would like all of you, even though you are out of the institute, out of India, whenever the institute calls, just respond. Say yes and barge in, because this is your own institute and you have to support your juniors. That's what I have been doing since 2004, and almost, to give you a number, almost 18 students I have recruited from this institute from 2004 till now, and I have been in multiple roles with this institute, visiting faculty, alumni, as what said, the campus placement, mentor, and what else and what not. So thank you very much.
The institute without whom
doing any activity in the placement is not possible, Himanshu. Thank you so much for being one of the star alumni and the active alumni. I am very thankful to Smita ma'am for introducing me to Himanshu, because being as a BMS alumnus, I had a very limited or no interaction when you were a part of institution. So once you came, you have decided to stay back with us, and you also played a multiple role. Thank you so much for inspiring us every time. I request Smita ma'am to kindly felicitate Himanshu also for his endless contribution in the journey of our institution, and we really look forward for your presence forever. Thank you.
Guys, please give a huge round of applause.
Himanshu, your piece of advice.
In fact, I wasn't about to come tonight. And it was, so I was speaking to Kavita ma'am in the evening saying that the traffic is showing almost 1 hour 30 minutes from Kandivit till here. And she just made one statement saying that, Himanshu, if you are able to make it, you'll be able to motivate other alumni, which I am quite sure if you turn up, that would be great for the current students, the current batch, because they need guidance, and then they do genuinely need guidance. In the experience what we have, the amount of nights what we have spent at work in different industry, we can definitely give our inputs and they can do good. So keep coming to the institute and do give your insights, and it will help them. So thank you so much.
Now next we would like to call upon stage Ashish Soni for summer internship.
Ashish Soni. So last year we also connected with multiple alumni for giving the summer internship opportunities to the students. Ashish was able to give lots of hand to us. Thank you, Shashank, for introducing Ashish at that time. And then Ashish helped students to get an opportunity into summer internship. I saw Ashish was around. He was around, but he must be busy with the friends. So Ashish, आपको ही बुला रहे हैं, आ जाइए. Ashish was on campus, I remember that you were in alumni committee. So being into alumni committee, he used to come in the placement committee and he always says, Madam, bolo mujhe kya kaam karne ka hai, ho jayega. So that's what extension of the work and activities which you have done, Ashish. Ashish, आप public में कभी बोले नहीं हो, पर आज बोल दीजिए. आपके friends आपको cheer कर रहे हैं.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And even Nagada has also started ringing when Ashish came on stage.
So Ashish deserves that. And as Kavita said, I'll also add 1 or 2 lines for you. Your batch was amazing. I recall when the young faculty members like Javed, etc. had joined, yours was the first batch in terms of coordinating and organizing. And Ashish said, ho jayega, batao what has to be done. And we used to make everything possible. May God bless you and your entire batch.
So Vishal, being as an active alumni, also whichever companies he had gone as an employee of the company, he kept on talking about our institution to the organization and connecting to the company. We are very grateful to Vishal for your contribution as an active alumni for Coffee Talk with Alumni, and also as an active alumni for helping our institute for summer internship and the guidance to the students.
Next, we would like to call upon stage Ruchita Kadge.
Ruchita Kadge. So Ruchita got her campus placement, ma'am, in iWealth Advisory Consulting Firm. And since then, Ruchita has always made a point that whenever this organization recruitment process will start, our institution, one student will get placed into that company every year. Since 3 years, we have been placing 1 or 2 students in iWealth every year. And Ruchita, your contribution as an employee of the company, as an alumnus of this institution, and also guiding to the students before the start of their campus placement in the company is something which we will remember always. If you are here, kindly come on stage. We would like to cherish this moment. Priyal Parmar. Priyal, thank you so much for being one of the active alumnus. I met Priyal every year only in the alumni meet. Okay, so Priyal, we consider you as a star alumni, Priyal, because since the time you were the part of this institution, you were always very humble, very positive in the life approach. We had multiple discussion in terms of her career aspirations and development. And last year when Priyal came for the alumni meet, we discussed about the campus placements, and without delay she recommended our students in her company, that's RNC Ready Mix, and our one student is working with our company as a final placement executive. So thank you Priyal for your contribution, and I request Smita ma'am to kindly honor Priyal with a memento. Priyal is a batch of 2016 marketing students.
Give a huge round of applause for Priyal, please.
Priyal, you would like to say something?
So ma'am, thank you so much for grooming us first of all, because the students that are interviewing in our company are really doing well, and I hope to see more of them in the next year internships. I'm looking forward for some brilliant students in the marketing internship as well. So thank you for guiding us and grooming us always, both of you.
Pankaj Oja.
So Pankaj, please come on stage. Pankaj, you are always like a star alumni of our institution who give lots of advice, guidance, counseling, not only to the students but to me as well. So whenever we have any discussion, Pankaj comes up with lots of suggestions and the guidance, and also connecting us with regular interactions with EMISA. And thank you for giving all the support to us. I request Smita ma'am to kindly offer a small memento to Pankaj from us. We want to say
at the outset, I would like to thank all the faculty members for giving me this gesture, with this nice gesture. It always feels nice about coming back to the college where you have learned, and now this is a small gesture for us to contribute or give it back. My endeavor would always be to be present whenever the college needs me, in whichever way is possible. I would be forever indebted to Director Ma'am with the way she has guided us with the certain values which only some people can, match it. And for that very reason, I would always be there, ma'am, for you. And these are not just the words just for the sake of saying it. I really mean it, because this is something which we have encountered during the committee, certain things which we were facing as a challenge, which ma'am has overcome. Talking about Kavita ma'am, of course, being the placement officer herself, she has always ensured that all the students are on track and are ready material for the corporates to pick up and crack the interviews there. And I would always again be thankful to her. Other than that, there are other faculty members too, but I cannot name them all. But at this point of time, I'll restrict myself with these two only. Thank you all. Javed sir, maybe wherever you are, yeah. always had the charming personality and someone who knows how to gather crowds. So that is something which always comes as a plus with him. Other than that, there are other peoples too, but since for now, because of the time constraint, positive time, I would halt now. Thanks very much, everyone. Thank you for coming in.
As I said earlier, it is very difficult to take away mic from the teacher. I'll just mention in between the discussion which was going on. So Kavita told me this Star Alumni Award should also be given to me because she is also our alumni. She completed a PhD program. Okay, so she is one, Sushmita is other, and Thakur sir is the third one, and there are few more in the making.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Kavita, ma'am. There are some alumni who have not turned up for the event for some reason. I would just like to call upon few names. Niket Korgaonkar, Amay Joshi, Divanjali Palav, Abholi Junagade. Amay Gondalkar, Nitin Jain, Dhiren Charanya, Jigar Rajani and Sharad Jambukar.
So once again, please give a huge round of applause for all our star alumni for the continuous support and efforts in making our student and institute reach new heights. It's my great pleasure to unveil this year's edition of Admire 7.0, a remarkable creation by our talented media committee. This magazine reflects the creativity, dedication, and vibrant spirits of our students. I commend the entire team for their hard work in bringing this edition to life. With great pride, I now officially reveal. I would also like to invite media committee to please come up on the stage.
I would request all the faculty members to please come up on stage. Smita ma'am, please.
I would also request Makarand sir, Himanshu sir, Aniket Shinde sir, Chirag sir, Rohit sir and Mayur sir to please come upon the stage for the unveiling of Admire magazine 7.0.
Javed sir. Javed sir. Shashank sir.
Vaishnavi, what's a reunion without some jaw-dropping entertainment? Well, lucky for you, we have an exciting lineup that will have you dancing, laughing, and we promise it's better than your office karaoke night. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
100%. Please welcome Muskan Singh. She is going to perform a classical Kathak performance.
धा तिन तिन ता त्र क धिन धिन धा तथे एक दो तथे तत ता ताथे थे तत आथे थे तत थे ताथे थे थे ताथे थे थे तत ता धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता ता धिन धिन धा घिन्नक घिन्नक धूमकीट धा किड़धा तीट धा कतीट घे घे तीट धूमकीट किड़धा तीट कतीट धा कत धा कतीट धा कत धा कतीट धा कत धा धिन 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 धा धा तीट धा धिन 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 धा धा तीट धा धा गे तिन 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 ता ता तिट धा धा ती धान धा धा ती धान धा धा ती ताती तीत ताती तीत ताती तीत ताती तीत एक दो तीन चार पाँच 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 ताती तीत ताती तीत ताती तीत ताती तीत एक दो तीन चार पाँच 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 ताती तीत ताती तीत ताती तीत ताती तीत एक दो तीन चार पाँच 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 धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता साधा तोड़ा धिन धिन धा तत थे तिग्धा दे दिख थे तत थे तिग्धा दे दिख थे तिग्धा दे दिख थे तिग्धा दे दिख थे तिग्धा दे दिख थे यात्रा तत ता तत ता तत ता तिग्धा दे दिख थे तिग्धा दे दिख थे तिग्धा दे दिख थे यात्रा तत ता तत ता तत ता तिग्धा दे दिख थे तिग्धा दे दिख थे तिग्धा दे दिख थे यात्रा तत ता तत ता तत ता थे तत आ थे 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 तत ता थे तत तत ता तत थे तत आ तत थे तत ता थे तत आ 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 थे तत थरकिड़ 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 थे तथे थे तथे थे तत
देश कह कर आतर दरिया रब मन आते न साहेबा के सारे जगनू भुल गए सबनू रब मन आते न साहेबा शर्त नहीं न सवाल कोई है ऐसा इश्क मेरा
That was a beautiful performance by a beautiful lady. Louder. I can't hear applause from you guys. Come on. I would also like to announce that those who have not received food coupon, please collect it from the registration desk. Food will be starting soon. And next I would like to call upon stage हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के पॉपुलर शायर ओम डोंगरे.
हेलो हेलो हेलो. शाम का मौसम है और चांद भी आया है, तो मैं 2 लफ्ज़ चांद से शुरू करना चाहूँगा. चांद कहूँ तो छुप जाओगे, दोस्त कहूँ तो छोड़ जाओगे. चांद कहूँ तो छुप जाओगे, दोस्त कहूँ तो छोड़ जाओगे. गुलाब कहूँ तो बिखर जाओगे, ख्वाब कहो तो टूट जाओगे. चलो तुम्हारा नाम जिंदगी ही रख देता हूँ, चलो तुम्हारा नाम जिंदगी ही रख देता हूँ. मौत से पहले तो छोड़ नहीं पाओगे. और
वाह वाह गाइस.
दूसरा लिखा है, चांद को छोड़ मैं अब सितारों से बातें करता हूँ. चांद को छोड़ मैं अब सितारों से बातें करता हूँ. दुआ नहीं मांगती होगी तुम मेरी, पर मैं हर पल तेरी ही फरियाद करता हूँ. दुआ नहीं मांगती होगी तुम मेरी, पर मैं हर पल तेरी ही फरियाद करता हूँ. भूलना तो हम भी चाहते हैं तुम्हें, भूलना तो हम भी चाहते हो तुम्हें, जिस कदर तुम भूले हो. पर मैं तो तुम्हें भूलने की बहाने से भी याद करता हूँ. एक प्यार पर लिखा था, उसे किसी से मोहब्बत है पर वो मैं नहीं हूँ. उसे किसी से मोहब्बत है पर वो मैं नहीं हूँ. ये बात मुझसे ज़्यादा उसे सताती है, ये बात मुझसे ज़्यादा उसे रुलाती है. मुनाफों को मेरा नाम जहर लगता है, वो जानबूझ के गुस्सा उन्हें दिलाती है. ये फूल देख रहे हो, ये उसका लहजा था. ये फूल देख रहे हो, ये उसका लहजा था. मैं उसके बाद कभी ठीक से नहीं जगा. ये झील देख रहे हो, यहाँ वो आती थी, वो ख्वाब में भी नींद से जगाती थी. ओम ये लोग तुम्हें जानते नहीं है अभी, ओम ये लोग उन्हें जानते नहीं है अभी. गले लगाकर मेरा हौसला मेरा बढ़ाती थी. और एक और लिखा है अच्छे से, जो जिनका मतलब रिलेशनशिप पूरा ने और जिनकी शादी मतलब सक्सेस ने और रिलेशनशिप, उनके लिए लिखा है. जब वो आती है और वो बोलती है कि मेरी शादी अलग मतलब दूसरे लड़के से तय हुई, तो उससे लिखा था, मैं उसे बहुत देर तक देखता रहा जब उसने कहा कि कल मुझे देखने वाले आए हैं. मैं उसे बहुत देर तक देखता रहा जब उसने कहा कि कल मुझे देखने वाले आए हैं. उधर रिश्ते की बात चल रही थी, उधर रिश्ते की बात चल रही थी, इधर खतरे में था रिश्ता हमारा. उधर रिश्ते की बात चल रही थी, इधर खतरे में था रिश्ता हमारा. यूं ही बस चुप बैठे थे हम, यूं ही बस चुप बैठे थे हम, कई घंटे चला झगड़ा हमारा. यादें पागल कर देती है, यादें पागल कर देती है, बातें पागल कर देती है. चेहरा होश उड़ा देता है, आंखें पागल कर देती है. तन्हा चलने वालों को तो पागल कर देती है राह, तन्हा चलने वालों को तो पागल कर देती है राह. दिन तो खैर गुजर जाता है, रातें पागल कर देती है. तुम्हें जो मिला है, तुम्हें जो मिला है वो किसी ने खोया होगा. तुम्हें जो मिला है वो किसी ने खोया होगा. जिसके साथ हर पल मुस्कुराते हो, कोई उसके लिए रोया होगा. जिसके साथ हर पल मुस्कुराते हो, वो कोई उसके लिए रोया होगा. हर कोई हारा है यहाँ मोहब्बत में, हर कोई हारा है यहाँ मोहब्बत में. जिसके साथ आप यादें बना रहे हो, कोई उसकी यादें लेके सोया होगा. उसकी डोली उठी थी, मेरा जनाजा उठा था. उसकी डोली उठी थी, मेरा जनाजा उठा था. उस पर भी फूल थे, मुझ पर भी फूल थे. उसके भी सहेलियाँ थी, मेरे भी दोस्त थे. उनका हंसना था, हमारा रोना था. वो उठकर चली गई, मुझे उठाकर ले गए। वो सच के गई थी, मुझे सजा गई। फर्क सिर्फ इतना था, उसको अपनाया गया, मुझे दफनाया गया था। और एक लाश जाने में हर एक को हेल्प करते, तो आपकी सबसे रिलेट कर सकते हो कि अपना कॉलेज कैसा है। किसी को घर से निकलते ही मिल जाती है मंजिल, किसी को घर से निकलते ही मिल जाएगी मंजिल, कोई हमारे तरह उम्र भर सब्र में रहेगा। दिस इज नॉट फॉर मंजिल, दिस इज फॉर प्लेसमेंट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I would like to call upon Javed sir. Yes.
थैंक यू, आई लव यू गाइज। भाई होम इतना दर्द रहना चाहिए यार जिंदगी में, एक आती है दूसरी जाती है, लव कीप्स ऑन कंटिन्यूइंग। यू शुड हैव योर हार्ट लाइवली, दैट्स ऑल। यू कैन फाइंड लव एट एनी टाइम, राइट? वाह वाह, हाय ऋषभ, आई लव यू। All right, thank you everybody. Like every time, thank you everybody for coming and gracing this occasion. I would like to invite my student team who made this event very much possible. Sadicha, Mamta, Vineet and all your team members who participated. Please, can you come on to the stage? Please give a big round of applause for my student team here. Yes. आ जाओ. Come. Sadicha, please. BMS team also. Shruti and everybody. Where is BMS first year? Hi. And some volunteers also. Please join. And with that, I'd like to thank the university administration, our beloved Smita Shukla ma'am, Thakur sir, Naina ma'am, Sushmita ma'am, Kavita ma'am, Rakesh sir, Abhiraj sir, all my staff at LK Dinesh Modi Institute, the GAD, and all you alumni who come and grace this event. I thank and I invite each and everybody of you to please grace the occasion, have dinner with us, dance with us, live with us like you've been living. And thank you each and everybody. Big round of applause for the team. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! DJ, can you please start something? Hello. All faculty, can you please come on the stage for us? Group photo. बड़ा आवाज बड़ा. Sushmita.
होने लगा सनसेट भाई तेरा फुल सेट है, मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा। देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को, तुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा। थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके, थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके, थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके, थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके, सारे Let's knock you जाए बीच सड़क पे नखरे दिखाए ओ करके इशारे ओ लड़की ओ लड़की आँख मारे ओ लड़की आँख मारे ओ लड़की आँख मारे बोले उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का नाम के दीवाने हुए हम फिर भूल गए हम तो सारे जिंदगी के गम तुझे देंगे बुरे दर्शन साक्षात सामने जैसे हनुमान जी को दिए श्री राम ने गुरु की भक्ति में भी के सारे आज बुरे हर हर महादेव महाकाल बम बोले